There you go. Let me put this on this tripod. Let's see what we got here. Pretty well packed here. Here. This is how it comes in. The heat pack is right in there, nice and warm. Styrofoam. See here, nice little breather bags here. Right down there. What else we got here? That's what the second one is. Our 12 yellow golden bags. Neocardinia shrimps. Good size one there. Fire reds. And 12 blue velvets, Neocardinia shrimps. Let's see here. Oh yeah, oh, look good. Let's take a look at these yellows again. Let's go around this way. Go under the light or something. See those yellows? Beautiful yellow shrimps. Alright. Sorry about the mess around the fish room here, guys. I'm going to show you the blue velvets under the light. I don't know if that's going to catch that or not. Pretty nice there. And these are just fire reds. 12 fire reds. See if we can get them. Get that one in there, huh? Beautiful. Let's look at these. One male, one female. With a couple of fry in there. great. Alright. We'll let them sit down here. Get them down to room temp. And then we'll start acclimating them in. This is how I'm gonna acclimate the shrimp into the tanks. I'm gonna put them in here. Of course, I'll take them out of the bag, put them in there. I have this tube here with, you know, just a air control valve, and just control the drip of the water into here for an hour or two or so until the thing fills up, and then I'll move them over into the tank. You know, I got them in here now, so you know, you can definitely see how just nice and red and beautiful these shrimp are. So we'll just hang them down here, and then I'll just drip from the line down so it fills up. There you go, just like that there. Just got into the tank, the drip, use a little air control valve to drip it. It's dripping at about 1 drip per second. Just let that go for a while. Alright, so I just put in the shrimp. It's been about 4 hours I've been acclimating them. These are the reds, fire reds. See that one right there? It's really nice. Juvie right next to it. And then next, over here are the blues, blue velvets. See if we can get that to focus there on. There's one sitting there on the rock there. So there's another one right in that log there, as you can see, right next to the moss there. Let's see if we can get this one down here in this corner under this rock pile here. Okay, just hanging out right there. That's the blues. Just a nice shrimp right there. Got these guys. All these guys from Lucas from L.R.Bretz Aquatics. Couldn't be happier. Definitely go check him out on his YouTube channel. Definitely buy from him, support him. Let's go. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, ordered some stuff from Aquarium Co-op, just came in the mail. I pre-opened the box already with my knife because I didn't have it on hand, so I figured I'd just cut it open before I open it up. I ordered the pack of fertilizer from Aquarium Co-op. I've been watching a lot of his videos. Corey, he does great job, great videos. Gives up a lot of great advice. I definitely advise anybody who has any questions or wants to know more about the hobby, definitely check him out. He's got great advice, like I said. He knows his stuff. So here we go. I'm gonna open it up here. So first one we got here is the Easy Carbon, Easy Iron. Sorry about that. It's Easy Iron for, you know, all your red plants that needs a lot of irons. The second one is the Easy Carbon, which is great for carbon for the water. And then this is the, you know, highly talked about Easy Green. I'm very excited about trying this stuff out. Been hearing a lot of good things about it. Does exactly what I wanted to do, or I'm hoping it would do. I'm not that good with chemistry and biology and all that other good stuff, you know what I mean? So it's supposed to do it all for you, all in one, so I'm hoping it does. I'll keep, you know, updating on the plant, on the tanks that I do with my plants and stuff like that, so you guys can kind of see how it kind of grows. You know, it's pretty easy. It's perfect for a guy like me who doesn't know too much about chemistry, and all I need to know is how many pumps I can put into my fish tank to help my plants grow. So got that. You know, comes with a couple of extra pumps here for each one. There's another tubing there. There's a tubing. There you go, for each one, for each one, which is great. Then I also got the small fry fish food. So you can open that here. It's well bagged. I've been hearing a lot of stuff about this stuff too, so I figured I'd try it out. You know, small fry fish food. I got some guppy fry I want to try it out on. Crude protein is 55%. Crude fat is 18%. Crude fiber is 2%. And phosphorus is 1.3% minimum. So, small fish, fry food. We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna start giving this to my guppies as well, my fry guppies, and I'll let you guys know on how it goes out, how the results come out on. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys next time.